Hello, I'm Rodney, and this is
Adonica
Howard Brown. Yeah. I think for us, if people could see the amount of time that we spend doing Monavie, it would shock them, because it would be a couple hours a week at the max, because we are so extremely busy. I travel, I speak every night for the gospel, and Sundays I do 3 services on Sunday. So everything's done in between.
My husband and I were talking about getting married. One of the things that really impressed me about him, he talked about traveling around the world and preaching, because that's what we do, but he said this one phrase that stuck with me: to meet the needs of the people. And, you know, we're Christians, and Jesus met the needs of people.
I see Monavie and what I do in the ministry is a run on a total parallel. It's like what I do in the ministry is the whole spiritual side, Monavie's the natural side, and yet there's a parallel in everything, because I want to empower people.
We support a home in South Africa for AIDS babies. We support a lot of people, help a lot of people, and when people can't pay their bills, a lot of times we help them personally, and our ministry helps them.
The number one thing that motivated us about Monavie was the fact that we were looking for a tool that we could place in the hands of everyday people that we knew if they did what we told them and they followed the plan, that it could make them a residual income.
The great thing about Monavie is it actually buys you time. It's not just that it can buy you a car or a house or material things, but it can buy you time to be with your family and to do the things that are important to you, and to actually set your priorities instead of your priorities being set for you. I love that. I love to see people blessed. I love to, you know, I just enjoy it. And I love hearing testimonies of how people's lives have been changed by Monavie. It's being able to see people have the freedom to make their own choices, the freedom to make their own schedule, the freedom to invest in the things that are really, really important in their life.
We can actually get involved. We don't have to just get up and teach people, hey, you can have a better life, or you can see a breakthrough. We could say we have a tool that will help you have a breakthrough quicker than anything else that we have seen. So come and join.
The whole business is about relationships, relational marketing, friendship marketing. Friends do what friends do. So Monavie just encourages relationships, and there've been so many people that have said they're so happy about Monavie because it helped them reconnect with old friends, and you know, and then build new relationships and new friendships.
People are just going, wow, I can't believe they call us crying. You know, all our bills are paid. We're able to give. That's the most amazing, the most rewarding thing for us, is to see that. I believe Monavie is a vehicle for good, to bless people financially, physically, mentally, and also spiritually. Here's a tool that I know if I put it in your hands and you follow the plan, that it's going to work, because we've got the most unlikely people in the business doing amazing stuff. In all my studies, I haven't found another opportunity like Monavie.